Today we're going to talk about how to increase the good bacteria in your gut. Our gut health plays such a crucial role in our overall health. And so if you've been struggling with gut health, this is the right video for you. And if you find value in this video or are interested in more ways to live a natural lifestyle, then like and subscribe and click that bell to be notified of my next video. And be sure to stick around to the end and I'll share with you how you can get my free guide on more tips and tricks and ways that you can improve your gut health. Hi, I'm Therese Hamilton and I have been a wellness educator for over 10 years. And after struggling with my own gut health, I was able to help heal it with natural remedies. And now I love to share all of my tips with others and help them to improve their health as well. The microbiome in our gut is responsible for so many important functions in our body, including digestion, immunity, and mental health. So it's so essential to keep our gut microbiome healthy. And in this video, we're going to discuss some ways to increase the good bacteria in your gut. And I'm going to start by talking about fermented foods. So fermented foods are rich in beneficial bacteria, which helps that gut. So some examples of fermented foods would be yogurts, sauerkraut, kefir, kimchi, kombucha, even sourdough. And incorporating these foods into your diet can really increase the good bacteria in your gut and really help promote that healthy microbiome that we need. The next step is to increase your fiber intake. Fiber acts as food for the good bacteria, and a diet rich in fiber can help to increase that population of the good bacteria. So some fiber-rich foods would include fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains. And so you want to make sure that you're getting plenty of these types of foods in your diet. I don't know about you, but I do not always get enough fiber in my diet. The recommendation is 25 to 38 grams a day, which is a lot. And so I love to take a supplement, and the doTERRA fiber is my favorite. It's a yummy drink that tastes like apples, but it has so many great whole foods that are rich in fiber, such as flaxseed, lemons, tapioca, and it also has extra added vitamin C and a prebiotic that really will help support that gut. You must remember to take your probiotics every day. So probiotics are the live bacteria and yeast that are beneficial for our gut health, and they can be found in lots of different foods like the yogurt and kefir, but also an added supplement to make sure that you're getting enough of that good bacteria is going to be really important. And my favorite is the doTERRA PB Assist Plus. I love it because it's both a prebiotic and a probiotic, and it's in a dual capsule that's time released, and so it really gets those prebiotics and probiotics into your gut right where you need them for that added support. The last tip I want to talk about today is reducing stress. Stress can have such a negative impact on our gut health, and it disrupts that balance of the good bacteria in our gut. And so it's really important to find ways that you can manage that stress and promote relaxation. So some stress reducing activities, of course, are regular exercise, keeping a gratitude journal, meditating, doing yoga, deep breathing. These are all ways that you can help. So I like to add some essential oils that are really beneficial for reducing stress, such as a lavender, and I'll rub it in my hands, take some deep breaths, and it really helps to slow that heart rate, calm your breathing, and really help you to relax. So there you have it. Some tips to increase good bacteria in your gut. So start today by creating healthy habits. Choose one of these areas to start with. Maybe you're adding a probiotic, maybe you're adding more fiber in your diet, but choose one thing to start today to really create this microbiome, healthy microbiome in your gut. So now that you made it to the end, I want to make sure that you get my free download, my free guide on more tips and tricks on how you can improve that gut health naturally. So be sure to click that button and download that guide today. And I hope that you have found this video very helpful and informative for you. And if it has helped you or someone that you know, please like and subscribe or click that bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And thanks so much for watching today.